Hi all, it's Garrick here from Harley-heaven Ringwood, and I want to welcome you to our store. So we have an amazing range of new bikes in at the moment, plenty of good stock, lots of breakouts in all your different colours. A very tough sinister looking blacked out breakout that just left our workshop today. We've got an available Fast Johnny street line, some 22 runouts as well. But I also want to show you our large stock of used bikes. Come on. Here at Harley-heaven Ringwood we have over 80 used bikes in stock at the moment. So ranging from 10,000 to about 40,000. Lots of different models, lots of different options here for you. So if you can't find a bike here, I think you'd really struggle. For those who don't know her, this is Sarah in our motor post department. Been around for 7 years, everyday rider. So anyone who's going to have experience with how things work, everyday conditions, is going to be the one. So if you're looking to update your existing ride, we'll go and see spare parts. They're upstairs. Okay, and this is Aaron from Spare Parts. He's happy to help you out with any of the bits and pieces you need for your ride. He's mad for an Evo, anything old school Harley, but he loves the new stuff too. And this is our workshop where all the action happens. All sorts of different jobs we're carrying out at the moment here, including our Stage 3 engine build, which this will actually be a demo bike for us in the coming week or so. So keep an eye out for that. We'll be on the dyno tomorrow, getting some big numbers hopefully.